Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. And today I have got part 2 of my Amazon haul. So before I get into this, I hope everybody has had a great day, had a great weekend, great holiday. If you hear anything in the background, it's going to be Booger. He is under my desk playing with a toy that has a water bottle inside it, and it is his favorite toy. And if I remember, I will take a picture of him and place it in here somewhere so that y'all can see him, see how big he's gotten in his little toy. So I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every one of you. And I also don't forget about my Etsy shop, which is Just Minder Business, where I make cover minders. And I've also got an Instagram. I don't know if any of y'all know that. I have a personal Instagram, and I have a Instagram for Just Minder Business. And it is all in the description box with links to everything that I have here. So, he's trying to get a bag. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into what I have. So I'm going to pull one out, and we'll just set them to the side. Alright, so this one, he is being something, y'all. Alright, so this one I call the birds in the water pump, because as I said in a previous video, these do not have names, okay? So, and I like that they come folded now. So it comes with an average toolkit that has a green boat, pink wax, and a pink pen. Booger is distracting me. Alright, so this one, there are no DMCs on the drills. And this is a round poured glue. Didn't even think to tell y'all that. Alright, so this is the image. Move this out of the way better. Okay, so this is the image. It is a 30 by 40 round poured glue. And there's the item number, or canvas number, whatever y'all want to call it. And it's also on the bag of drills. So these can go elsewhere. There is a thumbnail up at the top, and it has 25 colors. The schematic is on the top left, bottom right, and it also has another thumbnail down there on the right. And it looks like we have numbers and letters. And looky there, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. I love it when they have it in sync. It also has the DMC numbers on the schematic. But I thought this was very, very, very pretty, y'all. Now, I gave $4.99 for this. And I will say that I think it is very, very pretty. And it's got a very good stick. I can already tell. Very good. Alright. So, let's look at these drills real quick. If I can find the opening. Why am I having issues with trying to find the opening of these things? Really? Because I know there's one here. Where is it at? There it is. Alright. At least I didn't rip this bag all to smithereens like the last time. Alright, so here's the colors. And these look like good drills. Got some blues. Some browns. I hope y'all can see these good. Alright. And then we have more blue and browns, like a mustard color, another green, white, and some like brownish red. And these drills, they look really good, y'all. They really do. Then we have green, reds, and blues, and beige, and some dark green, and some pink, and purple, and lavender, and gray, red, yellow, green. Can y'all see these? I don't know if y'all can or not. The glare might be horrible. Alright, so I'm going to bring the canvas up. That way you can see the drill field. But I think it's extremely clear. I mean, like, I can see it from here, and I'm blind as a bat, y'all. So that looks nice. Alright, so we have got a bird, another bird. There's 2 yellow birds. We've got a cardinal sitting on top of the water pump. There's a bucket right here. There's another bird sitting right there. And then we have a blue bird sitting right there. And they're sitting on the edges of the bucket. And then we have some, looks like daisies. And then there's some pink flowers. I don't know what those are, but I think these are daisies. What do they call it? Like Gerber daisies, I think. Anyway, I used to know my flowers back when I was younger. I can't remember nothing for nothing no more. But, alright, y'all. So, this is the first one. And like I said, I gave $4.99 for this one. So, I'm going to set this one off to the side. And we'll see what else is in the bag. Alright. Okay, y'all. You know. I love my gnomes. Sorry, Claire. But I had to get this one. Now, I seen, who was it? It was Shell with, what is the name of her thing? Crafting Journey, I think. Anyway, I have the male hippie peace sign gnome. She has the female. I have looked and looked for the female one, and I can't find it on Amazon. So I'm going to have to look on some of the other sites, some of the budget-friendly sites, and see if I can find it, because I want it to go with the male one. Alright, so in the toolkit, you have a green boat, a pink wax, and blue squishy, pink pen, it looks like maybe a two-placer, and a few bags. Now, I'm not going to go through the drills because I just went through them, but we have blues. Can y'all see this? We have blues and pinks and some browns, lots of browns in that. Looks like, good Lord, maybe 2 or 3 bags of that color, whatever that is. And then we have the blues and the pinks, some more pinks, some greens. Yeah. Okay. So this is the canvas that I got. And I love that color of blue. And it looks really good with this yellow. So, it is a girl gnome. And she has a blue and white striped hat with the yellow flower. Has a bluebird there. Has a bluebird there. Or no, them are not birds. Those are butterflies. My bad. Sorry. So a blue butterfly there. A blue butterfly there. She's got a yellow flower on the tip of her hat. And she has 2 on her beard. That's not a beard. Or it wouldn't be a girl. Anyway, she has little pigtails, ponytails. And she has a flower in. And it says welcome. And the O, instead of it being an O, it's a flower. So, alright. A lot of color blocking in this, y'all. Look at all the color blocking in this. Even over here. This is all color blocking. Alright, so there are 28 colors. And we have numbers and letters. And it also has the DMC listed on the schematic. And we have a schematic in the top left, bottom right, with a thumbnail of what she's going to look like. And it is a 30 by 40. Okay, the canvas number is up here at the top, and it's also on the backs. All right, so poured glue, round, very sticky, and very clear, y'all. I mean, this thing is like super duper clear. Even in the dark areas. I mean, that is very, very clear canvas. All right. So what do y'all think about this one? I know Claire don't like it. She don't like gnomes. But I like it. All right. So there's that one. All right. What else is in the bag? Okay. So this is the last one, y'all. All right. Oh, for the gnome, I gave $5.99 for the gnome. All right, y'all. Y'all gonna like this one. Okay, so everybody knows that Drills and Chills will be coming up in just a few months. And that is a Halloween fall event that they do every year. So I got a Halloween canvas. And again, regular toolkit, green boat, squishy, baggies, pink pen, and there's some wax up under them baggies. Pink pen with a 2 or 3 placer. Okay. The colors in the canvas are yellows, some greens, blues, some darker reds. We have mauve, white, black. We have dark green. Some more browns. And then on this pack, we have some browns, or well, mustardy color. Some dark blue, light blue, more reds, very, very dark blue. Some purple, orange. I really thought there'd be more orange in this than there is, but that's okay. All right, look, y'all. Isn't he cute? This is SpongeBob, and it says Halloween. And y'all, I only gave $3.99 for him. I could not pass it up. I'm not a huge SpongeBob fan, but anytime my grandkids are around, we watch it. When my kids were little, we watched it. So, I mean, I guess I am a fan, but not like, oh, gotta have all the SpongeBob stuff fan. Very sticky. All right, so he is a 30 by 40 round poured glue. There's the thumbnail. He's got 30 colors, and we have numbers, a couple symbols, and letters. And it does have the DMC on the schematic. So we have a schematic on the top left, bottom right. And I'm going to show y'all the drill field. Looks good. I mean, it is very pixelated, and it is going to be confetti heavy. But I think it's going to look good once it is completed. Because with it being a round, the canvas is actually going to look different than what the finished product is going to look like. The finished product always looks better than the canvas itself on a round, especially when it's pixelated. But you got SpongeBob here, you got Patrick back here in the back, and then you've got a pumpkin. Looks like SpongeBob has jumped out of the jack-o'-lantern to scare Patrick. So what do y'all think, y'all? For $3.99, I could not pass this up. So, I actually have one more canvas coming from Amazon, but it won't be here for another day. So, when I get that, I will make a video of that one. But this is all of my part 2 of my Amazon haul. So what do y'all think? Which one is y'all's favorite? All right, y'all. I guess until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.